how I'm turning $100,000 into $1 million in public. Most people will never become financially free. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not smart, and not because they don't work hard enough. Most people never become wealthy because nobody ever teaches them how money actually works. Instead, they're told to save more money, spend less, and hope everything somehow works out. But hope is not an investment strategy. So in March 2025, I decided to prove a point. I opened a brand new investment account with $100,000 on my own money. Real money. Not a demo account, not a paper portfolio, not a back test, and I started documenting the entire journey publicly. Every trade, every win, every mistake, every drawdown, and the goal is pretty simple. Turn $100,000 into $1 million, just to show you that it's possible. Not through gambling, not through day trading, not through chasing the latest meme stock, but through disciplined investing, risk management, and the exact principles I used as an investor and portfolio manager for more than 2 decades. And whether I succeed or I fail, you're gonna see the entire process. Because unlike most people on the internet, I'm not interested in showing you the finish line. I want to show you the entire journey and then you can learn from it. One of the most common questions I get is, Sascha, why did you choose 100K? Most people don't have that kind of money. And that's a fair point. But here's what most people miss. This challenge is not really about 100K. It's about understanding the process. The percentages doesn't care how much money you have. A 100% return turns 10K into 20K. A 100% return turns 100K into 200K. The strategy is exactly the same. The discipline is exactly the same. Only the number of zero changes. The purpose of this challenge is show that wealth creation follows principles. What most people get wrong about investing. Most retail investors are looking for shortcuts. They want the next hot stock, the next crypto coin, the next big prediction. But successful investing is not about finding a miracle. It's about consistently making good decisions. When I buy a stock, I'm asking, what's my downside? What's my upside? And what are the probabilities? Am I being paid enough to take that risk? Because nobody knows what the market will do tomorrow. What matters is having a framework. And the real lesson for small accounts, if you're watching this and you have 5K or 10K invested, listen carefully. Don't try to turn into $1 million overnight. Don't gamble. Your first goal is not to get rich. Your first goal is to become consistent. Learn how to manage risk, learn how to control emotions, and learn how to stay invested when everyone else is panicking. That's your first move towards your first $1 million. So let's talk about the challenge. The receipts are public. Go to my Instagram, it's down here. Scroll back to March 2025. You'll see the exact day the account was funded, the account number from Interactive Brokers, except the last 3 digits, and then the same account number trading and showing in TradingView. You'll see the wins, you'll see the drawdowns, it's all there, completely public, completely transparent. And I only decided to change from Instagram to YouTube because here I can give you more details, more insights, deeper knowledge than on those short videos. So let's talk about where the challenge stands today. As today, the account has grown from $100,000 to $341,600. Right now I'm down a little bit in unrealized profit losses, and all that didn't happen because I got lucky. It happened because I stayed focused on major themes and opportunity while maintaining disciplined risk management. The goal is still $1 million. Most people only show you the winners. I'm showing you the entire process. The good days, the bad days, the wins, the mistakes. If you want to follow the challenge, learn how to analyze opportunities, manage risk, and build wealth over long term, make sure you're subscribed. In the next video, we'll take a deeper look into this challenge. I'm Sascha J. Kurth. Invest smarter, not faster. Peace out, Sascha.